So I start scratching his ass. See? I'm about to scratch his ass.
Are you about to be
I'm about to scratch his ass. Now I need to stop doing it. He's about to bark. I think. Strap.
Here comes the fun. With Sea-Doo. Starting at just $51.
He's not barking.
Including 2-year coverage. Visit Sea-Doo.com for details.
This is Lulu, our newest dog.
I think he's about to do it.
Lulu's hair just floats.
Yep, here it goes.
Wow. It's yours more. And testers. This is what I'm talking about.
See?
Look at that. Sticks to this better than it sticks to Lulu. That's your hair.
See it?
Mom,
See the bark?
another dog?
It is my female dog. You want her? We're gonna get her some. I think. We're gonna try to sell this little dog big dog right here. And we're gonna try to sell this big dog right here. I'm gonna put this on YouTube and see if you want it, this dog.